So importance क्या है? Employee retention. Second point is talent acquisition. So employee retention means if you're following the core values, employee will be happier because पूरे organization में follow होता है. So employees will become happier. Talent acquisition, at the time of hiring only we tell these are our core values, so it becomes easier. The candidates feel like this company has got some good culture, I can work here. Company का branding होती है इससे. Customer is satisfied because at the end, if you are following our core values, that means it be only impacting the work in a positive way, which will help our customers. Fair business practices, so we follow this. Growth and stability, employee engagement. So if you have your core values, these are some of the pointers which you can take advantage of. So if you have not created, you will not understand the benefit of this. So once you start creating this, we have seen the benefit. We have seen the customer satisfaction benefit. We have seen the fair business practices because they understood the core values and they take the action accordingly. Now, how to reinforce? So first step is आपको core values बनाना है. अगर आपने नहीं बनाया है, we just modified last week. Okay. हाँ, modify हो सकता है. Of course, it keeps on changing. But core values का heading तो of course it cannot change. वो 4-5 तो फिक्स ही होना चाहिए कुछ सालों के लिए एटलीस्ट. Now, how to reinforce? See, now next part is you have created your core values, but does your employee know about it? Does everyone in your company? I'm talking to everyone, okay? So does everyone know in your company know about it? So अगर अचानक से कोई पूछ ले आपने 5-6 बनाए, it's not people may not remember everything. वो हर बार उनको याद नहीं रहेगा. So that's why you have to reinforce core values. ये one time activity नहीं है, to continuously do this. तो कैसे करेंगे? Step 1 is recognize employees for demonstrating core values. So this is something which we do in our rewards and recognition. उस पे कैटेगरी है कि someone who has followed the core values to the hilt, we give them a reward. जैसे कि टीम वर्क किसी ने दिखाया, किसी ने डिपेंडेबिलिटी दिखाया, किसी ने इनोवेशन दिखाया, he gave us a good idea कि ये बनाते हैं. So हम इसको recognize करते हैं. And you know, this recognition is just one way of reinforcing it. We again ask the employees, क्या आपको पता है 5 core values क्या है कंपनी के? Not everyone knows, but you know, किसी ने 1 बोल दिया, किसी ने 2 बोल दिया. So एक reinforcement हो जाता है. So we keep on doing this और ये हर क्वार्टर में करते हैं हम लोग. Next things, frequent communicate your core values to current employees. So ये तो हो गया आपका हर 3 महीने में. अगर आप महीने में करते हो, that's also good. So always, you know, आपके rewards and recognition में एक core value वाला part रखिएगा. Apart from the job, वो core values अगर किसी ने achieve किया है, so give them a reward. Frequent communication. So at least once a month, एक mail भेजिए टीम को with an example of a core value. And see, अगर आप simple core values के mail भेज दोगे ना, they will not be interested. वो एक junk mail की तरह treat करेगा. A better way of doing this is show your core values with the help of a story. कि आज मुझे पता चला सो एंड सो कंपनी में ये हुआ था, मेरे इस एबीसीडी बंदे ने जाके ये किया. So with this, he demonstrated this core value number 1, and the client is very happy. आप एक स्टोरी बना भी लीजिए, कोई जरूरत है एक्चुअली हुआ भी होगा वो, it's not required, but you have to reinforce it. एक स्टोरी बनाइए, उसका एक core value का एक चीज लिख दीजिए. Like for example, अगर हम बताते हैं dependability, so someone's parents father died in our company. So department में 2-3 जने ही थे. Now the other person stepped in और उसका जो काम था हमें मिस ही करने नहीं दिया. The person took a responsibility कि कंपनी का ये एक मेजर पॉइंट है और उसको पेरेंट्स के साथ भी रहना है, तो we cannot let the company run into loss. The person took steps and complete the work. So हमने इसको recognize भी किया कि you showcase dependability of one of our core values. So always try to put in your core values through stories. नहीं तो वैल्यू नहीं होगी. एक मेल भेजोगे, they will just read it and they'll forget it. But stories people always remember. So संजीव सर बहुत सारी स्टोरी भेजे, इसी से किसी पिक कर लीजिए कोई एक, आपको अलग से बनाने का भी जरूरत भी नहीं है. All of you are getting stories from संजीव सर, just pick one of them, उस पे देखिए कुछ फिट कर सको अगर आप. ठीक है. Now bring core values into employee hiring, onboarding, development and retention. So again, as I said, continuously during hiring you need to tell them कि हम लोग कंपनी बिलीव करते हैं. Even in your JD you can put a one-liner, our core values. This brings a very positive impact because many companies till now don't have core values. they have core values just to update their websites. They don't follow it. They don't practice it. They don't reward people for following the core values. So bring into this picture, then क्या होगा? Employees will keep on understanding कि हाँ ये core value तो है. They may not remember 7 of them, but ये 3-4 तो याद रहेगा. जब किसी को अवार्ड मिलेगा, जब किसी का स्टोरी आप बताओगे,